How's it going, guys? So for today's video we're gonna have a rear diffuser installation. Part number is BC101793. This particular product comes in carbon fiber and forged carbon as well. And as for the installation, it's fairly simple. We're gonna be using 3M tape along with pre-existing tabs from your factory rear balance. So if Franco turn it around so we can have a better look here. So we're gonna be using the 3M on the top, bottom to add extra support, and then we're gonna be drilling holes to attach the pre-existing tabs. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the installation now. Okay, to start off, we're gonna be creating a template. So essentially, we're just gonna use a piece of paper, and in order to create the template, as you guys gonna be able, we're gonna make sure this go from one side to the other side. And then we're gonna mark it to create the template so that way we can drill onto the rear diffuser. So now we're gonna go ahead and using masking tape, we're gonna attach the paper on top of the rear balance in order to mark the point where we're gonna be drilling onto the rear diffuser. So now that we have the paper onto the rear balance, we're gonna go ahead and start marking where we're gonna be doing the drilling. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the piece of paper and lay it on top of the rear diffuser and start drilling. Okay, so now that we have the template on top of the rear diffuser, make sure to use some masking tape to ensure the template stays in its place. And now we're gonna go ahead and proceed to start drilling using a 1/4 drill size. 1/4. And just make sure the holes are big enough for the tabs to go through. Make sure you don't overdo it. So once you're done doing the holes, we're gonna go ahead and move on to applying the 3M tape. And in order to do that, you wanna make sure you sand down the area where you're gonna be applying the 3M tape in order for the 3M to attach properly. You wanna ensure that any more release from the piece when it was made is completely removed. So we're gonna go ahead and sand down around the whole edge prior to applying the 3M. So once you're done, you're going to go ahead and clean it off with some rubbing alcohol and move on to applying 3M. So once you're done, it should look something like this. And you just want to leave a little excess, peel off a little bit just to ensure that you're able to reposition the rear diffuser prior to fully mounting the diffuser onto the rear balance. So now that we're done, we're gonna go ahead and mount it onto the Challenger. And once again, you want to make sure to leave a little excess so you can reposition the rear diffuser prior to fully installing it. And just ensure to add enough pressure for the 3M tape to fully attached. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to attaching the tabs. So now that you're done, you have successfully installed your rear diffuser. And once again, this rear diffuser is available in carbon fiber and forged carbon as well. And once the installation, as you guys can see, it's fairly simple. No drilling required other than just drilling onto the rear diffuser to attach the pre-existing tabs from your rear balance. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos, and follow us on our social media as always. Until next time.